SOUN is trending. This is Wednesday, the 17th of December, 2025, pre-market session. It is currently up 1.08%. The stock has been consolidating within a longer term neutral trend. It didn't get a bounce like the other AI software and crypto asset stocks. Yeah, it didn't get any bounce like them as of the 20. It didn't get any meaningful bounce. It got a bounce on the 21st of November, but most of the other stocks extended their run up till even 9th of December, but its own stalled on just the next day. So the stock has been consolidating within a longer term neutral trend. The extrapolation of its 3-day moving average is that weakness is going to remain in place up till the 24th of December. And after that, it might attempt to bounce, but the 40-day moving average is expected to continue to decline to prevent any meaningful bounce. Okay. Projections are currently saying, let's see what we have, 15.65 as of now. But before now, we had as high as 17.83, 20.45, 22.08, and even higher prices, 23.43, 26.05, 27.68. Yeah. But before now, its stock has, before now, I think, let's just say, as a matter of fact, this year hasn't been that bad as such. This year hasn't been that bad. We've seen it print the highs of around $24. Yeah, this was okay last year. Yeah, but okay, well, since the last 1 year, if you include the end of last year, then it hasn't been that bad. But this year, 2025, hasn't been that bad. As a matter of fact, I'm even surprised that the underlying trend has just gone neutral. You can see here from April, it just was just printing high prices non-stop up till the 15th of October. So that was a decent run, but the underlying trend has just gone neutral from was bearish. It was strongly bullish from at least from November of last year up till let's just say up till up to the 20, up to the 20, up till late 20, up till late September. It's just gone neutral since then up till now. Okay, momentum is expected to it's expected to continue to weaken and might pick up strength from maybe the 23rd of November of December, possibly. Okay, so yes, it's currently trending right now. Let's see whether we can get the sentiment around all that's going on with the stock.
SoundHound AI is trending as heightened volatility across the AI sector reignites discussion around the stock's long term potential and near term risks. Community sentiment is increasingly split, with investors and traders actively debating whether recent price weakness represents a temporary dislocation or a signal of deeper challenges facing high growth AI names. Analyst ratings and valuation debate. One focal point of discussion is analyst coverage, with community members closely parsing ratings, price targets, and commentary on SoundHound's revenue growth versus its ongoing losses. Bulls point to analysts who emphasize the company's expanding footprint in voice based AI and its growing list of enterprise customers, while skeptics argue that valuation remains vulnerable in a risk off market environment, especially as profitability remains elusive. Catalysts, partnerships, and visibility. Speculation around potential catalysts continues to drive engagement. Traders are watching closely for announcements related to new partnerships, particularly in verticals like restaurants, automotive, healthcare, and enterprise customer service. Others are looking ahead to upcoming company presentations, conferences, and investor events, viewing them as opportunities for management to clarify strategy, reinforce growth projections, and potentially shift sentiment. Price action frustration versus tactical optimism. Recent price declines have sparked visible frustration among some shareholders, especially those who bought during earlier rallies. At the same time, more tactical traders see the volatility as an opportunity, pointing to high short interest and the possibility of a short squeeze if momentum and volume return. Discussions frequently center on technical levels, with breakout zones and moving averages acting as psychological battlegrounds between bulls and bears. Broader AI sector pressure. Adding to the uncertainty is SoundHound's strong correlation with the broader AI and growth stock complex. Macro driven sell offs, shifts in interest rate expectations, and rotations out of speculative tech have amplified SOUN's moves, often overshadowing company specific developments. As a result, many community members stress that SoundHound's near term performance may hinge as much on sector sentiment as it does on its own execution. The bottom line: SoundHound remains a polarizing AI stock. Long term believers see a differentiated voice AI platform with multiple avenues for growth, while cautious investors want clearer signs of profitability and sustained demand before re engaging. With partnerships, presentations, and broader AI market trends all in play, SOUN continues to be one of the more actively debated names in the sector.
Okay, see what you make of SOUN stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.